station, BD files,
Okay.
fax comp files, and then anyone. Let's click on the latest one. 061003. Okay. Let's do this one. This was I did Monday. Okay. I say, because I'm opened in CellQuest. If you're open in one program, this is FaxComp. This is the next program, so it will not let me open. But otherwise, this gives you the summary of the report, and in the report it says for each detector what was the voltage, what was the time delay, what was the everything. So you can monitor that the instrument has not changed much. But in order to do that, you'll have to run the QC every day. So
how long does the QC take?
5 minutes.
Oh, then I should do it every day.
So it's just it's like very quick. So I can it's like it doesn't take me more than 5 minutes. But every day, make sure do not trust what people did before you.
Right.
Clean the instrument with. Now we are done with the data, and then before you shut down, run the complete cleaning procedure every time you finish the acquisition for your sample.
Right.
And I don't know in your facility what the rule is. Every user, suppose I finish my experiment,
Yes.
are they supposed to clean?
That's right, yeah.
If they are supposed to clean, very good. But you should still make a point that you clean with 5 minutes with water. It's just a good practice. Otherwise,
5 minutes, please.
with 5 minutes, 10% bleach. Now we'll do that.
Okay.
We didn't have much cells which we played with, but we have this. 5 minutes. And besides this, you know what? Okay, let me show you something here. Cancel. So suppose our experiment is done and the data is reported. So you know how you're gonna get the data. But you wanna save this document. You wanna save this document. So you'll say File,
Oh, yes.
Save
Right, yeah.
document as, it's
Template.
untyped.
This is called template.
This is,
This is called instrument.
no,
instrument?
this is, this is just our template for this.
Okay.
Okay. Save. It says home template. Then you want to save the instrument settings. Cytometer. No. Save. Cytometer. Instrument settings. Why is it not saving? Maybe I am in the instrument settings. Okay.
Oh, that's right.
Pause.
Hold on.
Abort. Cytometer. Yeah. Instrument settings.
Okay.
Save.
Save. Okay.
Instrument settings in the instrument setting folders. I call it home settings.
Okay.
Okay. For today's experiment, I'll just label this is like just random, and I'll say save. Done. So next time when you want to open, you can go for that experiment and you can pull out the settings. So these numbers will be already there.
And if the machine in the same state, if QC run they are the same state, basically I can use the same.
You should, settings should not pretty much change.
Oh, should not.
Should not. Because, otherwise the instrument is very unstable. That one day you had a voltage for 410, the other day you're having a voltage for 500. Something is wrong. Either the experiment is unstable, the staining you're doing, or there's a problem with the instrument. But if you have the QC, the instrument problem is in front of you because you have the report.
Right. Yeah.
So then you can see if there a new antibody lot you have used, the antibody concentration wasn't right, the preparation of the sample wasn't right. It just would be so many things. That the antibodies, that the color, the fluorochrome you're using is not titrated, it's not separating well, why there's not a good, there could be so many different factors. But you just gotta monitor that. Okay? So, and once you're done with this, you saved your template, so you just say CellQuest, quit. We already saved it.
Yeah, we saved that.
So now you can do automatic cleaning for this. You can go to Fax Station, BD Applications, Loader Manager.
Oh,
loader.
We don't have loader.
Oh, you don't have a loader?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then that's fine. Then I don't have to show you this.
Okay. This is called loader. I think.
No, the loader is that. We put the bleach and water in that, and then automatically
no, we don't
takes
have.
it. Okay,
We
you
don't have that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's fine. Don't have to worry about it. So we just go the manual way.
Okay.
We just say done. No, I don't want to say done. We'll just say log out. Log out. And I will just run bleach for 5 minutes, followed by double distilled water, which I have it, and that's it. And then empty the waste if I have some, fill the sheet, and depressurize the tank, and I'm done. Because I just don't want to leave the tank in.
Okay. Toggle switch.
That is insane. She doesn't know that. She doesn't know. She said, I don't